Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your Grub error with unknown file system in Windows 10. So for fixing it we just need I haven't this error, that's why I can't open Grub Rescue for showing you what you need to enter. So I will just open cmd command prompt, and from command prompt show you what you need to write, but also you need to write it in your Grub Rescue when you try to start your system. So first you need to write here is ls. Second you need to write is l. After you write ls, you will see different hard disk, different partition on your hard disk, and you should choose a partition in which you also install your Windows. It must be FAT32 or not extend, but FAT. So after you choose, you find your partition. You write second command ls, and here you need to write your partition you choose from this list you will see here. So after, for example, I will write you some partition. For example, how it must looks like. And after the second command, you need to write third command set boot. And here you write exactly the same partition. In previous you write, so for example, and third command you need to write, sorry, not third but fourth. Fourth command you need to write is set prefix. Just like this. And just click enter. So here you need to write your partition you choose from previous commands and just click enter, and after you've done it, everything must work. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye. Just try to restart your computer and everything will works.